World Bank estimates that there are over 5,000 unexplored deposits still present in Kazakhstan, valued at over $46 trillion. Today, we already produce 19 out of 34 critical raw materials important for the European Union economy. Deposits of 9 more like cobalt, tungsten, lithium and other can be exploited with the necessary investment. There is also room to deepen cooperation in the transport and logistics sector. We pin great hopes on the development of Trans-Caspian International Transport Route, the so-called Middle Corridor. The Middle Corridor efficiently complements the Belt and Road Initiative. We seek to connect it further to the European Union's Trans-European Transport Network and the Global Gateway strategy. We support the G7 initiative on the Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment. Over the past 15 years, Kazakhstan has invested more than $35 billion in transport infrastructure. Over the next 3 years, we plan to build over 1,300 kilometers of railways. This will increase transportation of goods towards China, South Asia and Europe. Therefore, we invite Italian investors to take an active part in the development of our ports, joint production of transport vessels, and the creation of logistics warehouses. Thanks to 13 international routes traversing Kazakhstan and direct flights between Almaty and Milan, we are more connected than ever before. Here we commend the plans to open direct flights connecting Astana with Rome and Milan. This will definitely facilitate our economic and people-to-people ties and boost tourism. More than 70% of our territory is suitable for agronomy, making the country a Central Asian breadbasket. Kazakhstan is one of the 10 largest global producers of wheat and flour. Our agricultural products are already exported to more than 80 countries. Given the international food deficits, we aim to triple the productivity of this sector and to double exports. Kazakhstan is interested in developing cooperation with Italian partners in the cultivation of grains, pasta, oilseeds, production of meat